We're gonna learn Buckle Bunny. It is a 64 count phrased dance, high improver, low intermediate. Let's get started, your first 8 count. We've got, starting with the weight on the right, we're stepping forward left and touching those right toes. And stepping back right, touching left. Step forward left, scuff right, set, and 2 hip bumps. So with counts, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Second 8 count. Stepping forward right, lock step, pulling that left in behind, and then shuffle forward, right, left, right. We've got rock forward left, recover right, left toes step back, and half turn unwind. With counts, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go left, right, heels, 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 kick with the left, rock back left, recover right. With counts, walking left, right for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, heel swivels, 3, 4, 5, making that half turn, kick left 6, rock back 7, recover 8. Last 8 count for the first section. Stepping left for 1, 2, right 3, 4, and we're doing 2 quarter pivots, forward left, turning a quarter, and forward left again, turning a quarter, to start back over with our first set. So with counts, again, that last bit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the whole first 32 counts goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, part B, here we go. First 8 count. Mambo front on the left. Left, right, left. Mambo side on the right, right, left, right. 2 half pivot turns, forward on the left, left, half turn, and again, left, half turn. With counts, we've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out on the left with a hip circle, 1, 2, bringing the right in, 3, 4, and we're gonna step to the side on the right, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So with counts again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Stepping to the side on the left, behind right, and we're stepping out left, recover right, behind left. Right foot, quarter turn to the right, stepping forward on the left with a half pivot turn again, and bringing that left foot forward with a quarter to square up to front. That 8 count with counts. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 count of section B. We're waiting back on the right, tapping the left toes, waiting forward on the left, tapping the right toes. Back on the right again with a left hook, stepping down left, and half turn to face the back. With counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on the right. The whole section B together with counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the sequence is on the step sheet. Enjoy.